Let's get this started. Tonight we're going to draw Mightyena from Pokemon Omega Ruby and Pokemon Alpha Sapphire. Mightyena is one of my favorite... He's one of my favorite Hoenn region Pokemon. And, well, yes, he's related to a wolf. And, well, he's got the, sweet tenderness of a dog. This guy's adorable. I've seen Mightyena in battle for a really long time. I even saw him in Pokemon Journeys, especially during that event at Hoenn. Also, he also was part of Team Magma. And yes, he was the first Pokemon that I caught on Pokemon Omega Ruby. He was with me the whole time, especially when I fought against Primal Groudon. I wish Go would catch one of these guys. This guy's even sweet when he licks you. There we go. Now we draw the fur pelt up here. Now we draw the fur pelt here. Now we draw the tail on his back. He reminds me of those bear dogs I saw from Walking with Prehistoric Beasts. I have a dog too. Her name's Cabo. And she's one of the sweetest I've ever laid my eyes on. One last thing. This fur belt. And done. That's how you draw a Mightyena. That was pretty fast. Really fast. To find out more on how to draw more dark-type Pokemon like this, leave a comment below on which one of them you want me to draw next. Anyways, that's all for now. Please like your rocket, subscribe to my channel, and let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. Stegosaurus, see you later.